Why gut health matters. The gut microbiome is a complex, bustling ecosystem within your digestive tract. Home to trillions of microbes, it plays a starring role in digesting food, breaking down nutrients for absorption. Immune function, shielding your body against harmful invaders. Mental health, influencing mood, memory, and mental clarity. Skin health, improving complexion and reducing inflammation. A balanced gut microbiome is the key to feeling your best, but disruptions caused by diet, stress, or antibiotics can lead to bloating, fatigue, and even chronic conditions. Enter fermented foods, the microbiome's best friend. Fermented foods, probiotic powerhouses. Fermentation is an ancient process where bacteria or fungi transform food into a nutrient-rich, tangy treat. This process generates probiotics, the beneficial microbes that keep your gut in tip-top shape. Why eat fermented foods? 1. Improved digestion. Fermented foods help break down complex compounds, reducing issues like gas and bloating. 2. Enhanced gut barrier. Probiotics support a healthy gut lining, mitigating conditions like leaky gut. 3. Reduced inflammation. Fermented foods have been linked to lower levels of systemic inflammation. 4. Better nutrient absorption. Vitamins like B12 and K become more bioavailable through fermentation. Some studies even suggest fermented foods may provide gut health benefits that rival those of a high-fiber diet. Combine them for maximum impact. Popular fermented foods to try: dairy-based fermented foods. Kefir. This tangy drinkable yogurt alternative is rich in probiotics and easier to digest for those sensitive to lactose. Yogurt. Look for brands labeled live and active cultures to ensure probiotic content. It's a great snack or breakfast option. Vegetable-based fermented foods. Sauerkraut. Fermented cabbage rich in fiber, vitamins, and probiotics. It's a classic topper for sandwiches or salads. Kimchi, a spicy, probiotic-rich Korean favorite made with cabbage and radishes. It packs a punch in flavor and gut-boosting benefits. Lacto-fermented pickles. Ensure your pickles are labeled as naturally fermented to reap probiotic benefits. Drinkable fermented foods. Kombucha, a fizzy tea known for its probiotics and antioxidants. It's perfect as a refreshing midday drink. Congee, a traditional Indian beverage made with fermented carrots and spices. It's both flavorful and gut-friendly. Protein and paste options. Tempeh, a protein-packed fermented soy product with a nutty flavor, perfect for plant-based diets. Miso, a savory fermented soybean paste used in soups, marinades, and dressings. Fermented grains and legumes. Idli and dosa, fermented rice and lentil-based staples in Indian cuisine. They're naturally probiotic and deliciously versatile. Tips for incorporating fermented foods into your diet. 1. Start small. New to fermented foods? Begin with small portions to allow your gut to adjust. 2. Mix it up. Variety is key to nurturing a diverse gut microbiome. Try different types of fermented foods weekly. 3. Choose quality. Opt for unpasteurized organic options with live cultures for maximum benefits. Avoid added sugars or preservatives. 4. Experiment in the kitchen. Make your own sauerkraut, yogurt, or kombucha at home for a fun, hands-on approach to gut health. Addressing myths and misconceptions. Myth: fermented foods are all sour and smelly. Reality: there's a huge range of flavors, from the mild creaminess of yogurt to the tangy sweetness of kombucha. Myth: fermented foods can make you sick. Reality: properly prepared fermented foods are safe to eat. Stick to reputable brands or follow trusted recipes when fermenting at home. Considerations for sensitive stomachs. While fermented foods are a health boon for most, some individuals might need to take precautions. Histamine intolerance. Foods like kimchi and sauerkraut can trigger reactions in sensitive individuals. Low histamine options like kefir are a gentler alternative. Digestive sensitivities. Start with small servings to prevent temporary bloating or discomfort. Ferment your way to wellness. Fermented foods are more than a trendy health craze. They're time-tested, nutrient-packed allies in achieving optimal gut health. By introducing a variety of fermented delights into your routine, you'll unlock the benefits of a thriving microbiome. Ready to savor the flavor and power up your gut health? Give these probiotic powerhouses a try and toast to a happier, healthier you. Cheers to your gut.